3 A-Main wins, 1 TQ, 2 fast laps. Entering the final round of the Insanity Off-Road Championship, Ian Kiss didn't just have the 4-wheel drive short course title in his sights, he mathematically clinched the entire series before the main event even started. If you walked into the pits looking for a brand new top-tier setup, you'd be looking in the wrong place. Ian is a local racing veteran who sharpened his skills on the indoor clay at Crispy Critters over the years, and his weapon of choice, an 8-year-old Team Losi Racing SCTE 3.0 kit that actually belongs to his daughter.
I can't believe it really, but I threw it down here and it was amazing. I had a great time with it, so I've just been racing trucks my whole life with a buddy from when I was younger on the track behind his house. Just love racing short course. It's been my favorite class forever.
Underneath the short course body, you won't find the latest electronics, just older Hobbywing tech paired with a powerhouse Tekin Pro 4 HD motor.
The secret is I'm old. I've been doing this a while. That's about it, really. You get the right tires and send it.
When the track gets tough, Ian's strategy is simple. Get the right tires, in this case, Jconcepts Sprinters in the blue compound. In the round 6 finale, that send it mentality paid off with a flawless TQ and an absolute clinic in the main event, crossing the line a massive 6 seconds ahead of the field. Ian Kiss officially wrapping up a double crown season as one of the fast guys. But what happens if you don't have an elite kit or decades of experience? What if you take a box stock, ready-to-run truck and throw it straight into a high-stakes trophy race? Next time, our team-associated Pro 4 SE10 project begins. Make sure you're subscribed because we're about to see if an RTR can survive the real thing.